So continuation of the discussion of the management versus administration. So in the previous discussion in the management and administration, in the management level, no, we have three different types of management level. Una, yung top level management, middle level management, lower level management. No, in the top level management po, students, that is the president, no, that is the CEO, no, yung mga nagmamay-ari no, sa kumpanya. And for the number two naman, middle level management, that is the manager. No? Sila na ang mga superintendent, sila na yung mga right hand ng mga CEO or mga business owner. No? For the top three for the top three naman lower level management, yung mga foreman, no? Mga foreman, forewomen, lead man. No? Okay. So in the administration, it focuses on the kanang rules and regulation no in the management, and that is administration. So yung rules ng mga employer, yung rules ng mga managers no, and that is the administration. Okay, so that is the process of directing an organization by a group of people. Okay, for the management skills po class, una no, let's define now what is the management skills. Okay, the management skills refers to the specific abilities that a manager uses to run a business effectively and to improve oneself professionally. And these skills help the managers plan, to help the managers to organize or mag-lead ba and control resource efficiently. For example, no, a manager uses communication skills to explain tasks clearly and decision-making skills to solve work problems. And that is the skills, no. In every manager po class, no, daghan na sila og mga dili man ka mahimong manager, no, if you don't have skills. So, meron ka ng skill set, no. For example, you have the skills to lead people, di ba? Yung mag-lead ng tao class is another skills yan. No, you have the skills to lead people. You have the skills to communicate other. No, that's why kana mga president or mga CEO plus mga business owner. Usually na dili na sila nag-communicate na sa mga true business owner. Na ang ilang ginagamit na nila na ilang mga manager. Ngayon naman, kung makita no sa mga president or CEO na you have the skills no to communicate with others, so why not no ikaw na lang no on behalf of me. 'Di ba kasagaran do kanang mag public speaking, mag speech ang mga wala talag sa rin makita niyo ang mga business owner no. Usually anak ras mga right hand na nila no. Okay. So yun, the manager and his job, the most important part of the manager's job is to ensure that the anong tawag dito? That the department goals and objectives are aligned with the overall corporate goals, no? And the manager no, must understand the rule and responsibility, and that is the first objective, no? That is the manager and his or her job, no? Una jud is to understand the rule and responsibility. Now, what is my role? No, if you are the HR manager po student, no, so dapat you know your job description dapat. You must know your job description first no before you are working here in our company. Nasabtan no, dapat you know to understand no your first rule and responsibility. And next naman, know the goals of their department. What is our goal? If you are the manager, what is our goal? If you are done, no, understanding the goal, second one is mag-ask ka, no, what is our goal of my team? What is the goal of my workplace? No, what is the goal of my workmates? No, my employee, what is our goal? And yun, no. Next naman is ensure this goal support the organization mission. No, katong goal nimo, di ba sa atong BMG naman tay vision, mission, goals. Your goal po is that must be aligned with your mission. Okay? And next naman, this becomes clearer now when the manager has a well-defined business plan. What if sa to ang kwan, final na no, dili na project plan na nang no, project proposal, business plan na kayong himuon. Okay, I think manager man ka. Mo na una sa ko. Magmamawra mo ng proposal no. Kasi nga ng business plan. Next naman, the principle of management. And the principle of management, we have the 14 factors that form the foundation of a successful manager. No, isa ni siya class, no? 14 daw kabuok ang foundation of to become a successful manager. Una, okay, division of labor. Ay una, no? Kaning 14 principle of manager class, no? That is, asa na siya makuha na to? Kang Henry Fayol. Okay, mo na yung spelling class, oh. Henry Fayol. Henry, ay, nasa mo na eh. Okay, 14 man eh. 14 to become a successful foundation of successful manager. No? Henry, memorize na yung pangalan na sa iyang kana. Ay, mali na yung spelling sa, dili, Y, I, day. No. Henry Payol. Payol. F man. Yan. Ako ha. Okay. No? The 14th foundation of the marriage. Una is the division of labor. In the division of labor po, student, your work should be divided into smaller tasks so the employees can specialize and become more efficient. So, if meron kang nakikitang kanang major good nga work and hindi po kaya ng isang worker, no? Hindi kaya ng isang trabahante, so you need to divide the work. Okay, nasabtan? Okay. Division of labor. For example, no, in a factory, some workers handle production while other focus on the quality control. No, no. Ngayon naman, para to avoid class no mga marites. Di ba kasabantay mo na kanang the more nga wala kayo trabahoon, the more magsigig tabi ang mga trabahante. Tama? No, that's why you need to set an assignment or a specific task of your worker, no, or of your um, employee. Yan. Number two, authority and responsibility. Okay. In the authority and responsibility po student, the manager must have the authority to give order and they must always be responsible for the results. What okay. What would be the results of your company class? That is your responsibility. Oh, because you have the authority to decide. Because you have the authority to choose no between the bad and good. Diba? No, you have the authority to select. No, and your your decision making class is that is your responsibility. What if merong problem with regards to your decision making? So kana nga problem, ikaw ang managot, dili imong trabahante. Some of the manager class kaya mo ba no kay i-blame sa ubang tao. No, ikaw manggod. Take note, ikaw ang manager, ikaw ang nag-decide, ikaw ang nag-solve, no? Ikaw ang nag-plan. Okay, in every plan nimo class, naadyo na siya consequences, no? And that is your kuan responsibility. Wala, ayaw jud pagpasa-pasa og sala nimo, pasa nimo sa uban. Kung nakay patabante nga something wrong, oh, wala maging preventive ka, no? Than curative ang imong pamaagi. Okay? So yun, no? For example for that, number two, a supervisor has the authority to assign tasks and he or she responsible for the meeting production and the targets. No, what if wa nakuha ang task? No, wala nakuha ang ilang target na specific goals. No, kay goal-oriented ba ang isa ka manager? So, ikaw yun ang managot, no? You need to explain. Ana, yun na. Number three, discipline. Okay. Employees must follow the rules, policies, and the agreement. No, disiplina. Even ikaw nga manager class, kung ano yung oras no ng pagdating mo or pagdating ng mga employees, dapat the same lang po sa inyo. Nang ano man, disiplina man na siya ba? Kung ang iyong ang oras no sa pagtrabaho 8 a.m. So dapat kung ikaw ang manager 8 a.m. pug kamo sulod. Ngayon naman, you are the good follower. No, you are the follower no sa ikaw ang maayong sulundan sa imong mga trabahante. So it starts from you, no? Discipline, disiplina. Kung naanad ka, mga mumata ka tag 7:30, no? Manager man ka, maanad na yung kumatag sa'yo dira. Okay. Unity of command. Number four. The unity of command, it means each employee should receive orders from only one supervisor to avoid confusion. Kung ikaw good employee, dapat kabalo jud ka kinsa ang mag-command sa imo ha. Kay basig ang nag-command sa imo katong karaang nga damang nga employee pod nga kapareharan nimo og status. So dapat kabalo ka kung kinsa imong supervisor. Nga naman, siya ra jud dapat mo command sa imo ha. Dili tong kapareharan nimo nga employee. Nasabtan niyo class? 'Di ba kung maggrupo ta, 'di ba isa ra may leader? Oh, no. Kaya nga naman si leader na may matuman. Dili kidaghan og leader sa isa ka grupo. Kaya kung nga naman, to avoid the confusion. Katong mga members, kinsa man ang tumanon na ni? Nga si Mark Vincent raman tog si Juban raman toy one leader diri nga si Mark Vincent mura raman tog leader. So ang member na class malibog jud na sila. So no, so dapat na ay unity of command. Nasabtan ninyo class? Okay. Number five, unity of direction. No? For the unity of direction, activities with the same objective should be directed by one manager using one plan. No? All marketing activities are guided by one marketing plan under in the one manager. And every manager class, na sila yung mga marketing planning nila. Kung ikaw yung manager in that specific workplace, so kana o kana lang jud ang matuman. Okay? Okay. So that is unity of direction. No, isa ra jud matuman. Okay. Next naman number 6. Subordination of individual interest to mutual interest. For this number 6, the interest of the organization should come before the personal interest. Naiusahin no kanang naatay mga personal interest ba? Sa mo tag naanay mga kwarta na good. Anong na mga personal interest na to ba? Natay pa hiring no. Namtay personal interest ang atong pasudlo na to ang mga kuan ato ang mga sakop no ato ang mga kadugo atong mga relatives kay ikaw lagi manager no no so dapat unahan jud mong interest for the company no an employee follows company policies even if personal preference differ no kung unsa man ang needs sa isa ka kumpanya class dapat i-provide jud na nimo as the manager kung nag-hire po no nagkulang og sa ka tao for that slot, kana nga slot, kulang isa ka tao, mangita jud kag para na jud ana nga tao. No dili kay mag-backer system na ka kay ikaw lagi manager, pasudlo nimo si Marlon kay agaw mo. So pangit na siya class no, dili man siya aligned. Okay, so unya na ng personal interest. Dili biya jud na mawala no kanang personal interest. Okay. Kay kinugos man nimo, ana good. Kana imong gipilion as the manager. Number 7 naman is remuneration. No? For the employee should be fairly compensated for their work to maintain motivation and satisfaction. Tama, no? Walay bias. No? Kung unsa man ang promotion, pantay. No? Kung unsa man ang ato ang polisiya about salary, pantay. No? Walay lipod-lipod, walay pili-pili. And number 8, The degree of centralization. For the degree of centralization naman, this principle refers to the extent to which the decision making is concentrated to the top level of management, and the right balance must be maintained between centralization and delegation. For example, mingon tag the top management decides the overall company strategy while the department manager make day-to-day per operational decision making. Dili kay katong mga okay, na-late no o yun ano yung late. So, pag ganito class no, the degree of centralization class, dapat i-follow natin yung order from the top management, no? And ikaw nga manager class, you need to sama kanang ikaw ang implementer ba? No, you need to implement, you need to follow, no? Or you need to assist the companies sa kanang ginatawag og plan, no? Marketing plan or any plan po. And that is from the degree of centralization. Okay, para na unity ba? Dili ka maghimo og plan, no? Kay mao ni command sa top management, naghimo-himo ka og imuhang plano, no? So ayaw, follow ni mong plan from the top management if you're the manager. Number 9, line of authority or scalar chain. So, for this, kanang line of authority, kabalo ka kung kinsa ang boss nimo for the line of authority. Okay, there should be a clear chain of command from top to bottom to ensure the smooth communication and accountability. Di ba? Pag tayo chain of command, for example, diri sa Pilipinas, do, kung naay, ang ginatawag ng chain of command, kinsa na yung mga command nga makigera sa laing nasod, no? From the president raman, no? Chain of command, siya man ang highest. So, katong mga below niya, like mga yun, igo na lang itong follow sa order. No? Chain of command. No? Here in the Stikas class, na may chain of command riya. Kisa may masunod riya. No? Ang college president. Kung gusto ni college president mag face to face, no? In straight na face to face, i-follow naman na, no? Dili pwede mag modular, dili pwede mag online. No? Dapat na ay chain of command. If you are the manager, no, dapat meron kang chain of command. No, kung meron kang mga lead man, mga supervisors na gi-handle class, dapat you have the chain of command. Ikaw lang jud ang masunod. Na may uban no kanang gahit nagulo kay siyempre kay nakapareha na mo kadugayon sa trabaho. Di na mo wala. Example lang may nguntog si Ortega no og si April. Si Annalyn ba og si April. Kapareha sila sa kadugayon sa company. Pero nalay differences sa kuan sa kanang ranking no si Annalyn is top management siya or siya ang manager no belong siya dito si April is naarang sa middle management no so dili jud pwede nga kuan ka ng manghilabot no si April sa mga decision making ni Annalyn so dapat i-follow jud ni April kung unsay decision making na Annalyn man ginatawag og kanang word gud nga kuan wait until you become. Tama, di ba? Wait until you become. Ganun ikaw may magbuot-buot dali og kuan, kuman. Nga ako man ang nada sa position. Take note class. Maingon mo nga, ayaw ka bala ka, dili man ako, di man nila, pang long time ako ang kuan. In every position nato class is just a temporary. Nga naman, di mo tayo immortal sa kalibutan. Di ba ako, instructor ko, dili man po nga ako, instructor na nandiyon ko, hangtod mamatay ko, no? Temporary naman ako ang position dali Pero kung manghilabot ka sa kuang kuan, authority, kamo, student mo, manghilabot mo sa kuang mga decision making, dili jud na siya pwede. Maingon mo nga, sir, walaon na lang natong conserve, dili jud na siya pwede. No, I have the authority. No, nga magpahatag og assignment sa inyo ha. No, the chain of command man na ba? Okay. Line of authority. Next naman is order, no? Number 10, for the order, an employee reports and the materials, order, no? The materials The resources and the personnel should be properly arranged to achieve the efficiency and effectiveness. Tama, kanang ginatawag na to organization man order, no, organizing, oh, in organizing ni. So dapat na proper order, no. Kung sa mga papers ta class, no, naka-alphabeticalize ang mga names sa tao, kana good. Kaya nga naman, para dali lang ba, wala confusion. And number 11, equity, no. The manager should treat the employees fairly and with justice to build loyalty and commitment. Equity, no. All employees have equal opportunities for training and promotion. No, walay pili-pili, walay biases, walay stereotyping. Pili lang po, no. Tanan, no, na ay chance, no, to have a training. No, walay bilin, no, even the security guard. Ayun, mabilin yun ang security guard. No, yung medyo na imukuan. No, naam po na sa ilahang lahi pag nakuan. Pero sa isa ka company class, no, mag-training and development, ang uban kay manglaag, manglakaw, mag-vacation, no, pantay na sa tanan, no. Pero ang mabilin dyan, security guard na dyan. Okay, ilahan mo na dyan ang secure, no, ang perimeter nila. Next naman is number 12, stability of tenure of personnel. No? Employees should have the job security and stability to develop the skills and improve in performance. So, for example, no, a company provides long-term contracts to reduce the turnover and maintain experience of the staff. Sa garan na ni, kanang itawag stability of tenure personnel. Applicable ni siya class no, mga tenurity is sa kuan kanang mga kumpanya na nga stable kayo, no. Pero ang uban no nganong naita ginatawag og kanang mga short term lang ang ilang work tungod kay naman ta ginatawag og mga peak season. No, for example sa Tadeko, 'di ba usually gamay lang ang kuan nila no, gamay lang ang ilang regular, no. Na usay magmas hiring sila tag 3 months, 2 months. Tungod kay na may mga peak season class ba. Maghatag lang sila og regular session sa isa ka trabahante class. Ila po nang bana-banaon nga sustainable ba ang ilang panuweldo? Dili sa stikas, no? Dili pwede, no? Contract ra jud mitan ay contract ra jud tanan ng instructor. Gamay ra may regular diri. Regular ko. 12 ra mi ka regular diri out of 70 ka instructor. Liman ka, 12 ra mi ka instructor regular. Mga program regular na. Gamay ra mi regular diri. So out of 70 ka instructor. So pasabot, no, pasabot, you need to kana syempre may tag stability, no. So kana imong mga contract mahimo kay by semester man ang among contract diri class ang klase by 6 months sa imong contract ayaw pud by month pud ang imong renew sa mga trabahante. So dakong mali jud na siya, no, by month. Sana all gihatag kape ay Pepsi dahil. Ah, kami uhaw yung gaming diri ba. Sige, next. Number 13, initiative. For the initiative naman student, I hope di ka matukan nag-inom mo ko na. Pepsi. Okay, number 13, no, initiative. For the initiative naman, employees should be encouraged to take initiative and contribute ideas to improve organizational performance. Kanang initiative class, kanang during meeting ninyo. So, dapat tagana mo chance sa mga worker nimo or mga employees nimo or mga co-worker nimo students to kan ba to raise their voice. Ayo kay uban no kay close minded no kay ikaw lagi ang nasa authority no. During meeting wala na Q&A. Wala na. Close na dayon no. Adjourn dayon ang meeting. Ayaw. Ayaw dayon no. Pag pangayo mga comments no kay basin katong mga comments sa trabante nimo makatabang man to sa imuha ba. Ang ikaw laglabad imong ulo. Nga karon kinaday trabante nga makasolba dala sa imong problema. Nasabtan niyo class. You're being ako no, be kanang a manager no that you are kanang approachable no to your employees. Kana kung dili sila maulaw nga mangutana sa imuha. Ano ba? Okay. Dili magpinili nga imuha ng kumpanya kay di wait until you become imuha na. Number 14, harmony, no? There should be a harmony between employees and management, as well as the among employees themselves, no? Manang pag last, no, harmony, it means there should be harmony kanang between the employees and management, kanang inatawag na tong team building ba? Dili jud na mawala class sa mga playgon mo mga private company. Di ba? Timanay na ninyo na ay mga team building programs. At the end gani sa semester, at the end semester yun. At the end of the month, no, December, na ginatawag na tong team building. Magpadagat jud mo na students na kung may mo mong trabahante. Kung ikaw ang manager, maghimo kag mga program. Sa mga program, no? Isay, wala tag share gaw ninyo. Magbas lang ta ninyo. Walay dala ay uyab ha, no? Walay dala ay pamilya. Kamora jud, no? Ano man class, to create harmony, no? To create a better relationship or harmonious relationship with your co-workers, no? Or co-employees. Nasabtan po, students, no? And that would be all, no? For the 14, ito, 14 goals and objectives, no? Or the 14 principle of management, no? Para maging successful. And next naman is the significance of management will become clearer by the following ideas. Una, balik naman, no? Efficient use of resources. So manang the management ensure that resources such as money, mga materials, time, and people are used wisely and without waste. Walay sayangan. No? So, maging efficient ka as the manager. No? Meeting challenges. No? The management prepare organization to face internal and external challenges effectively. For example, what if merong tayong tinatawag na supply supply shortage, no? Ano ba? What if kulang ang atong supply? What if kulang yung raw materials natin? Ana. So, as the manager class, you need to face the internal and external challenges effectively. And with that, no, dapat na po kayo mga quick response, no, quick solution, no, with that problem. And letter C, no, determination of objectives. The management helps define clear goals and objectives for the organization and its department. So you need, as the marketing manager, no, you need to set a target para ano naman, to increase the online sales or unsa ba na yung mga target, no? And D is achievement of objective. An achievement of objective because of your planning, because of your organizing, because you are staffing, no? You are assigning tasks, no, to the skill set of the people or for the employee ba, directing and controlling. No? The management ensure that goals are successfully achieved. And next naman, last na slide, economic growth. No? Economic development dahil, no? For the economic development naman is, yun, no? So, manang economic development class, you need to pay tax. Ang ba na nila, okay, dulaon nila ang tax. No? So, dapat, you need to pay tax. Ngayon naman, economic, that's part of the economic development class. No, kaya uso may himuon ng mga kalsada. Kung ang mga business, mga dagko nga mga businesses di mo bayad tax. Ay, you need to coordinate human efforts, no? Kaning coordinate human efforts, manang you need to provide hiring, no? Mga hiring, para at least no, makatabang siya sa kumpanya o makatabang food for the people. Coordinated human efforts. And that would be all now for that discussion. Okay, so umana dito no for the chapter 1. Dahil ako na-stop, na-stop na ako kaya ang attendance. Kamatis. Wala na ang attendance, na-stop na ang attendance. Pila raman yung naging sa attendance. Late pa dyan si kanin siya. Asa man yun ang... Oh, kawat ni Rick Mara yung wifi, nawala man. Ay, kabayad ay. Prangka ra kay ka, girl. Prangka ra kay ka 8. Mamaya tawagan ka ron ba? 8. 8 yun na, 8. 8. Prangka ra kay ka 8. 8. Okay. 80 dali na lay. Medyo ko balo na, ang Gen Z mo na ba? Ang Gen Z man pod ko. Bilang mo ko Gen Z. Okay, send na lang ako ng attendance, hindi na ako tracking na. Wait nga. Wait, saya din yung kan. Send na ako ang kuan attendance para madili na ako madelete.